On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you are all in a giga super fragilistic long, and you don't need anything from me. You just printing, baby. You printing. You're a printer. You're like the inkjet machine. Anyways, happy hump day, everybody. What a beautiful hump to be humped into 93,000. Can we continue? That is always the question. Either way, up, down, all around, we still make the money. Let's jump into the charts. We got a little bit of a VWAP problem here. We're not looking to go down just yet. So pushing through aggressively through VWAP, retesting continuation trade is in play. If you are part of the Discord, you should be potentially long here. However, if you're not potentially long here like me, who's in no trades, then welcome to my life. Last night during Asia, we managed to get long here. We managed to get long here and stopped out, and then we managed to get long here. I went to bed here, and I regret it. Yeah. Anybody still in that Asia long on Solana? Look at that one we got. We got no drawdown. That was the one I got barely wicked out here. It was like this, guys. This was the setup. And damn. That would have been like a $5,000 trade if I was just a patient little hobbit, but I'm not. I like to take my money and run, as you guys know. So, happy days. Put a one in the chat if you're still long. Would love to know. Good morning, Tony. What's going on, bro? How you doing? M4. Joseph. Good morning. What's up, gang? Let's go. I'm being a little bit quiet because my son is still sleeping. Look at this push, man. Aggressive move through VWAP is typically bullish. You buy the retest and you go. We'll see, but nice push. Chop at the top. You don't want to long the top, though, guys. Don't be long in no tops, please. We're very overextended. What's going on, everybody? If you wouldn't mind, YouTube has totally shadow banned me. People aren't getting notifications. And I know some people say this just to get you to click on it. Like, you don't have to click like, but I would appreciate it. It does help. They took away 30 subscribers from me yesterday. It's really weird. And then the 30 subscribers popped up back on my subscribers thing. So it went down to like, I don't know what's going on. Whatever. Keen Bean, what's going on? Dusty, Mina, what's going on? Doc, Andy, Jesse. Is anybody else not getting notifications? And turn your little bell icon on. Just finishing night shift, been plowing all night. Nice. I used to plow a lot. I used to just, when I was in my very early 20s, 21, I used to landscape and plow in the winter. And all you do is drink, smoke weed, and push snow around. That was early, 19, 20, 21, before I became a carpenter. Troll Games, good morning. Crypto Birdie, Menace, Curbstar, Not Mike Paul, Shanti, good morning. Mike, thank you guys for being here. Jung, good to see you. Curtis Hill, Massey, Marion, good to see you. Philly Skills as well. Wagwan, where you been, man? You back? I think you went on holiday or something. Loco, Whisper, Satire, back to the good old. Yeah, see, I knew you were somewhere, man. Django, what's going on, Django? Good to see you. Marion, Mr. Skull Tattoo, good morning. Harp, Trade Intuition, you're up, man. What's going on, bro? How you doing? Hopefully you're having a good morning. Mark Gustafson, Frank Fit for Life, Shep, Triple, 8 Breath, Chad, Keen Bean. What's going on, guys? Harp. I'm going to call you Raj. Okay, Raj, good evening. Isaac. Hello to all my friends from India as well. Harp. Did you see that goal by Bedard last night? Both of them. 2 goals from Bedard. This guy shoots the puck like a beast, man. Holy smokes. That guy can rip it. Vegas Claw, what's going on? Trade Intuition. PB Stacks. Mihai, what's going on? Joseph. 3W. Good morning, my VAF mofos. Okay. Hafiz, Jesse, what's going on? Jesse's gigalong, guys. Jesse is gigalong. We better all short. I'm kidding, Jesse. Shep, Curtis Hill. Henderson, what's going on, Mab? Good to see you guys. Gear, what's going on, bro? How you doing? Dread Mining, Lauren. Thank you guys for being here. Papa Chenzo, Curbstar, what's going on, bro? SMRN guy. Bitcoin Bunker, good morning. It's windy in the UK. Whereabouts in the UK are you from? My missus is from Worcester. She's from bloody Worcester, mate. She's a West Midlands lady. Yes, I married a West Midlands lady. She's a sweetheart. Can't beat Mrs. Otter, man. Papa Chenzo. Oof, this looks like continuation up here. Coming back for late longs and then pushing. Continuation, we'll see. Remember where we're at, everybody. That is the key. Where are we at? All we need is some Army Pie Bear. We got lots of quantitative easing, guys. We are pushing to the moon. I think I'm just going to counter say what really is going on with the QE. So you have to go watch Army Piper and learn. 1,022% in profit. All right. Cool, man. Cool, bro. Lightman, Dylan. Crypto Hefe, what's going on? Christian, are you like Cristiano Ronaldo? Come on, you're from Italy. You should be a Pirlo fan. Pirlo is my favorite Italian footballer. And Gigi is good too. Buffon. Mega, what's going on? Dread Mining, good to see you. So we're all looking for the short, right? We're all looking for this guy right here. Everybody's looking for this thing. We covered it in the Discord. Good thing you guys didn't jump in right away. Hey, you guys would have been in the red so quickly. Yeah, we don't have enough confirmation here to really get short just yet. We may. We're prepared. How about Solana, man? Solana doing its thing. Everything's green. Everybody's happy. I mean, even XRP's pushing. Good inflows on the ETFs, right? XRP, Ondo. Link is back in action. Sui's gone for a run. Give them a run. We're finally getting like 4 hour. Like if we look on a higher term time frame, we're getting a little bit of hopium here. What's the hopium? We're getting breaks, right? We're getting the 4 hour break here. Okay, we go to hype, no 4 hour break. Link, 4 hour break. Injective, no 4 hour break. BNB, trying to do a 4 hour break right now. Look at this. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Jasmine, SEI. Everything's trying for that. Look at this big bollock. This is an absolute bollock, mate. You're a bollock. Everything going for that. Beautiful 4 hour break. Even the fart coin. My God. Pengu, 4 hour break. Hopium. Hopium's in the air. Do. I'm not married to it. That's fine. They're going to catch a lot of people with their pants down. That's all I got to say. It's going to be interesting to watch. Because we do have some key levels, and we'll talk about the resistance in front of us here. I guess I should extend this over. We're way out of bounds here, guys. So everybody's looking at 98,000. If you're wondering, okay. If you're wondering where you're looking for the potential big Michael Burry big short kind of trade, it's 98,000 right here. Okay, it's not rocket science. Everything's pointing there, and I mean everything. Do you want me to show you what is pointing there? I can show you. If my chart would let me use the object tree, I'd really appreciate that. Every morning it makes me reload my page while we're trying to help people understand, right? Okay, let's go in here. All right. So currently into resistance right now. Bang, here's your resistance level, right? Currently. If you go up here, go up to this guy. All right. Where does this kind of land? 98,000, right? Nope. This one does. Yes. All right. We go here. Then what else we got? Anchored VWAP, I believe, from here. There's your 98,000. Nope. That's from the higher one. Sorry. 98,102. That area. What else do we got in here? I believe it's 382. 382. Yeah, 382 is coming in at 98,000. All right. Let's go golden pocket. What do we have in here? Golden pocket. 98,000. Was it this one? No, it wasn't. Anyways, there is every volume point of control. Okay. Everybody is looking for this trade. This is when we need to be contrarian, in my opinion. Okay, everybody's looking for this thing. We're gonna go up to here, and we're gonna short it all the way down to here, because here's their big Michael Burry short. Okay. And for me, like, I don't really give two rats butts about shorting this thing from here. I'm not very interested. With the way I trade, it's not, I'm not looking to catch the top. I believe there's a pivot there too, our yearly pivot. Is it our yearly pivot? No, that's by monthly. There is a pivot in here. I don't know which one it is. It's not bi-weekly. We just passed that. We are hitting our monthly pivot right now. Tell me pivots aren't good. Guys, tell me pivots aren't good. Oh man, look at that. And even with this move up here, this was given to me by Magic Internet Money. Bi-weekly right here. Oh, look at that. Anyways. I'm not here to do macro analysis, but right now there's no trades. So I thought I would enlighten you. Did I enlighten you? Put a 1 in the chat if I just enlightened you. Thank you, everybody, for being here and putting up with my bullshit. I do appreciate you being here. And hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Breakout, retest, continuation trade here. Looking strong. Solana looking strong as well. Breaking out. Continuation here. This thing, they don't care right now. There's very few times where you get bullish momentum like this. And it's not something you definitely want to short, in my opinion. Good morning, Getchi, Dada, Musa, JR, Ari, Curtis Hill, my man. What's going on? Ape, Lasers, Pew Pew, Army Pipers in the chat. What's going on, Piper? Good to see you, man. I told my Discord to be kind to you and stop using your Santa Claus picture. Hopefully Gear listens. Nice push here. Duality, good to see you, man. How you been? Traveling Studios, good morning. JR, Inked, good morning. Good to see you. Hopium de Toilet by Dior. It's funny how like all the perfumes like de toilet of the toilet. Mount your wanking chariot. Let's go. You can extend right. So I don't like extend right because I like having them like. So my ADD or whatever I have, it's something. What I like to do, my friend, is I like to have my boxes. Look at this. I got to refresh this chart again. What a piece of shite. All right. What I like to do with my boxes, because I'm a weirdo, is I like to have them not all the way, right? But I like to, so I will use the edge of the screen. This is how weird I am. And I will extend them all to the same area of the chart so that they're all in the same line. And it kind of like, I don't know, visually satisfies me that they're all in this line, you see? That's how I do it. Because if this is extend right, I don't know where that goes, man. It's kind of like runs away. That's something. That's how I do it. Maybe I'm just a weirdo. What's going on, Nihilist? Good to see you. We have news coming up in 10 minutes, everybody. If you weren't aware, okay? Be aware-ish. Aware-ish, not bearish. Aware-ish. ISM. This is not till 10. This is not till 10. Bastards. Sorry. Not till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 10 a.m., right? This is 10 a.m. We should be UTC minus 5. Interesting. 318 people in here. Thank you guys for hanging out. If you wouldn't mind just tickling that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. Got 96 likes. Subscribe if you're new. We're here live every morning trading. 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Trading Asia last night, taking trades, showing you the trades, having fun, kicking ass, taking names, all that fun stuff. We're here, doing it. We're trading. Traders helping traders. That's what this whole channel is built on now. It's just, I trade, you trade, we all make, hopefully, our money. But it's never financial advice. I'm just a guy here on the internet up in Canada trying to help you guys navigate these charts on a daily basis. We have the best Discord in crypto. Use code BOOBS. I can't believe this. Use code BOOBS if you want the Christmas discount. Okay, we've extended Black Friday into boobs. Now we have boobs. We had Black Friday. Now we have boobs. Don't ask me. Everybody voted yesterday to make it boobs. Okay. Who doesn't like a pair of tatas? Christmas tatas. So That's what it's all about. I'm late to the party, nothing like Alex in 2x speed. Should I be talking like this? Reminds me of Bruce Almighty. You know when Bruce Almighty, he has control of Steve Carroll when he's doing the news announcements. That scene made me laugh pretty good, man. I do that too. Good morning, Chantel. Good to see you. Andrew Cameron. Crypto Pete. Piper gets it. I will emotionally heal while I'm on cruises. Dude, you just throwing the cruise salt in the wound, but you're throwing the salt in the sea. You know what I mean? Like you just coasting. You see what I did there? Is it me or the mic sounds bad today? I'm being quiet. I don't know if does the mic sound bad today. I'm trying not to wake up my son. Mic sounds good. Thank you, Piper. Minus 32,000 jobs lost in November. I think my favorite Ace Ventura Pet Detective. Yeah, I agree. Shikaka. When he's blowing like that rhino scene. The rhino scene in Ace Ventura is probably the best. Right? Look, the rhino's giving birth, Mama. His face is like trying to get out. Oh, fuck. You can't beat it, man. His robot's breaking down. He's just sweating like a pig. He's trying to get out. Oh, it's gold, man. It's so gold. Shikaka. When he's doing like the what's the other one? Captain Insano, and he's doing like it's here's the better one. Okay, I'll stop. I don't care if I get demonetized, man. Nothing like a good laugh in the morning, man. Oh. The side view of his too good, man. Too good. He's blowing spitballs at that guy on the totem pole. A little chop here, trying to push. Creating liquidity on its way up here. I don't like when you get this kind of price action. You see here, whenever you get ascending channels like this, okay, it's just clear liquidity. You can see it here, right? You see it coming up here. You come back for that liquidity, right? You see it here. You come back for that liquidity. Okay. You see it here. Guess what? You probably come back for that liquidity. This is just highlighter price action. You see how fat the price action actually is here. Okay. Chicago. Oh, look, it's the Monopoly Man. You must be the Monopoly guy. Thanks for the free parking. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Ooh. Okay, I'll stop. All right. Just waiting here. No trade yet. I don't think this is really going to affect price action right here. But we do have export prices and import prices. Then we can do a top-down analysis and take a look here. Talk about some Ace Ventura and see what gets going here. Breakout, retest, continuation. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, no Kool-Aid, man. Yeah, this is coming here. Major resistance in here, guys. This is like a very big barrier to entry into, into higher prices. Looking for a couple of attempts here. Okay, it's going to take a little bit to get through it. Very critical volume level. Okay, you got volume from here to here. This is a big ass chunk of volume. Okay, so this is our barrier to entry. We are at the gates. Okay, we are trying to Ramathor this thing down. So I might take a couple of attempts coming into the market today. I like the higher high here on Solana. 1, 2, 3 now. 1, 2, 3 on Solana here, guys. Possibility. No real break here just yet. Still waiting. Just internal market structure change. Okay. Yeah, this is the concern today. Really, it's this guy right here. Retest into this. And then go. That would be ideal. I mean, whenever you create this amount of liquidity coming up, like we have, yeah. You could even be the picky guy who goes like this and says, look at this breakout, retest, continuation. I prefer this momentum here. Yeah, I'm not trying to be the trend line guy. I'm aware of trend lines. I just need to make sure I'm not trading them based on. Yeah. We'll go over top-down analysis once we get this silly news here. Take a look at the charts and how I'm looking to trade this thing. Coming into the news data. Thank you, everybody, for being here. All right, we're even now. Okay, we're even now, bro. God bless you, man. I will not break the truce again. You did break the truce last time, so I had to come back and hit you with 100. God bless you, bro. YouTube can go on vacation with all these donuts. Yeah, exactly, man. I appreciate you, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. That long worked out last night. Pretty nice. Hopefully you're all doing well. God bless you, man. Thank you for the 50. We are even now, even though I owe you $10. Didn't you say $40? That's not okay. I will agree. Shake on it. All right, shake on it. Truce. No more donos. Okay. God bless you, bro. Thank you for the 50. Export price is 0. Import price is 0. I'm not sure if this has a big effect, but the market is kind of rolling over here. Import and export prices. They're coming down with tariffs. That's interesting. Who cares? NASDAQ rolling over here. SFP of the high here. NASDAQ rotation down. Coming into that block. A little slap and go. A little bit of a reaction here. Nothing too special. Thank you for the 50 there, Gio. God bless you, man. Turbo lax. Liquidity. Can you please share your thoughts on the 15? Yeah, we'll talk about it. Absolutely. Oh, you said it twice? I'm definitely not doing it now. I'll share the 12-minute and the 24-minute. Yeah, there's some gay news today, Gio. There's, I don't know, ISM services. It's gay. It's nothing. This is the one we're looking at. It's tomorrow. The initial jobless claims. I think that's the most important. And our, where's our inflation? Inflation. Where's inflation? I know we have inflation this week. Or is that next week? Nope. Friday. Core PCE. This is the one we're looking at. But, yeah. Bunch of news coming out. Whatever. Services today. So caution around 10 a.m. That's all I got to say. Everybody loved your tweet there, Gio, about Bitcoin being trans gold. All right, bro. Take care. That's probably the funniest tweet I've seen in a long time, man. Bitcoin is trans gold. You're something else, man. Shout out to you, bro. Nice candle on Solana. Tapping this block. Yeah. It's a bit choppy for my liking. No trade here. Still waiting. All right, so taking a look here at Bitcoin, what we're looking at. Well, we've pumped, right? So very simply, like you can't complicate it right now. Like we're overextended. We are in a macro downtrend. Everybody's very fearful. We've had a very weird liquidity recovery back into where we're chopping here. We have massive resistance above us. If this, then that, right? We have bearish divergence in here on the 12-hour and I believe hidden bearish divergence on a couple of other ones. So if we go here, we look at 12-hour here, we can see very simply. There's your 12-hour bear div, okay? Bap, 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 bap. All right, 8-hour bear div. Bap, bap, boop, bap, bap. All right. So this is typically bearish. However, you've really just grabbed liquidity out of the lows in here for all the late longs. You didn't come back for this guy right here, which is interesting. We treat this as a range until proven otherwise. So what do we know? We know that there's liquidity here. There's liquidity here. Okay. We have swept this high now. Very nice. Job done. Okay. We have not swept into here. We have major volume resistance in here. Okay, so we isolate price, right? So we know it's going to be tough to get through here, but we've taken a couple cracks at it, right? Which is a good sign. We know we're overextended and everybody's getting euphoric and they're feeling the FOMO after yesterday because they didn't watch the live stream and get long with us because, I don't know, they're idiots. So now, what typically happens after a push like this? Well, we can look at history if we wanted to, right? And you chop at the top and you never give it back, which is something like this. Okay? Or you absolutely rug everybody and destroy their hearts, which is typically what has been happening. So are we here or are we here? That is always the question, right? Now, what's the best example of how to treat this, right? If we treat it like a range, okay, we can take advantage of this. We can split our range, right? Look at that. Breakout, retest, continuation, right? So if we look at where we're at now, where are we at, right? So we can treat this like a range. We can go back into that there. We know we have volume support here. We got volume resistance here. Okay. So if this, then that. So we should be looking for shorts naturally to come back into the middle of the range. Okay. So for me, I would love to see a retest of the point of control, just generally down to about 91.5. Do we come there? It's not for me to decide. It depends on price action. Okay, so I would love a short from here. However, I want to see a few certain things. Does this look like I should short it right now? Probably not. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? Okay. So don't fade the move. Wait for confirmation. Nice push. Trying to push. Okay. So when we look at the short-term time frames, what we need to understand, okay, we go into our 4 hour, a little bit overextended here, pushing out, right? A little bit overextended. VWAP resetting, okay? 3 hour, same thing, overextended, red dot, pushing over, overextended, okay? VWAP starting to reset here on the 2 hour, okay? So this can stay bullish longer than you can stay solvent or whatever the hell the saying is, okay? So does that mean we're going to Valhalla today? Not necessarily, but where's maximum pain? I think everybody's who's trying to short this is going to get wrecked, and then we can sweep some liquidity up into 94, 95, right? But we remain patient for the price to tell us direction. The money flows ramping out here. 1 hour bear divs. Okay. VWAP crossover to the upside. What happened last time when we crossed over to the upside? Well, let's take a couple looks, right? And we look at this. Well, I don't think it was a good idea to fade the VWAP crossover. And we're getting one right now. Okay. It was a bad idea, really. It was a bad idea because the bulls won. Okay, so if this, then that. Could the bulls continue to push? Absolutely. There's clearly bids coming in here. If we look at CVD, we can see bulls are in control. Bulls are in control. Bullish absorption, bulls are in control. Okay, so it's very obvious. What also is very nice to see, if we go here, look at the volume difference, guys. Look at the volume coming in to defend the low, to defend the low. Look at the volume. The volume will tell you that there are buyers stepping up in these areas. Pretty cool, eh? Who would have thought, right? Look at the 3-day wick on this thing. Look at this thing. Okay, we were looking at this morning. Look at the 3-day wick on these two candles. Does that look like exhaustion to you? Does that look like people stepping up to buy the asset? Or does that look like we're going to zero? This looks like defense. Okay, something the Toronto Maple Leafs don't have. However, we've had a bunch of green candles in a row, which typically brings a red candle. So cautious here, right? So trying to push back. Little battle going on over these lows. Big battle going over this high. So we have a range. So we would look for retest continuation, breakout retest continuation, acceptance into the range, chop up here, trap a bunch of traders. Okay. Where does liquidity reside? We know liquidity resides down in here and up in this candle here. So we're in the middle. We're typically always in the middle, guys, until we're not. And that's when we want to pounce. Okay. We want to pounce and make a decision based on price action. When we look at the shorter term time frames here, 24 trigger wave pushing out and onwards here. Okay. This is a trigger wave, bullish divergence continuation here. This looks strong. Look at what the trigger wave produced yesterday. Okay, and then again, and again. Okay. Bulls are in control. Is this getting overextended? I think we'd have one more leg up. That's how I would look at it. But if this and that, if it happens, cool. You know what would be gravy, baby? If we SFP'd here. We structure break here, we gig a short here, we come for the liquidity down here. Happy days, we're all rich. Who cares? But we're not taking a trade in here. Okay, we are looking to target here, and we are looking to target here. Be the hot dog. NASDAQ looking strong. Strong move, strong push, continuation, little gap down below. Okay. S&P, consolidation sideways. While Bitcoin's ripping. This is a good sign. Bitcoin's playing catch up. Okay. Not the sauce. This has been filled. So strong and long. Okay. Russell's going into a little bit of a push here. Consolidation push. Looking for that to continue as well. Okay. Going into our risk on assets. We're above 3 trillion market cap again. Okay. So we're not that pathetic anymore. Our little crypto world. And we're coming up to a macro trend line on total 3. So a couple of things that are starting to peek their heads out. Like I said, we flipped through and most of our altcoins are trying to break 4-hour structure. Most of them. Example being Sui. Sui has done it. It's trying to do it, man. Right? It's had that macro break. So we look for retest continuation here. Balloon dog. Okay. So a lot of things are right here trying to break this high. That's a good sign. Okay. We're not out of the woods yet, guys. Let's not be bearish or bullish. Let's be aware-ish. Okay. Aware of what's going on in the price action. What's the sentiment? Everybody's praying for a Santa Claus rally. Maybe Rudolph leads us into the promised land up here. But we'll see. So if this and that, we'll be prepared. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys hanging out. Smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you're new. If you're new here, welcome. We're here live every morning. 400 people in here, 137 likes. I think we can do a little bit better than that. So I do appreciate you guys. We do have the best Discord in all crypto. We talk about Ace Ventura. We have 8 traders. We have live streams. I'm going live today. Brewberry goes live after me. Smart Money Concepts. Oh, look, some more analysis. We have spoon feeding galore. Did you guys see the XRP setup, guys? Oof, my God. The XRP signal. Oh my goodness, Lord have mercy. XRP to the moon, given in advance. Did you see HRJ's signal? HRJ, what? Bitcoin to the moon? My God. Anyways, we got signal guys. We got live stream guys. We got liquidity guys. We got momentum guys. We got 145 now, I think. 145 videos, teaching videos. And you can get the discount for this time and this Christmas only by using the code BOOBS. Because boobs are cool, man. Happy Merry Christmas, everybody. And welcome to the AlexOCrypto show, where we talk a lot of shit and take trades and show you everything we do. That's it. Okay. There's my spiel. Now I can relax, right? I'm definitely going half a position size today, guys. I'm pretty tired. I think it's important to be aware of how you feel. I stayed up last night. I finally got through the tickets. Guys, you see how many tickets I have to deal with here? Look at this, 400. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to answer after the live stream. But I got through all of them with their codes. I was at 160 or something like that before all this website shite. So, yeah, I spent all last night doing it. It was a long, long night. But that's okay. Now I got to go back and answer any questions. Some people don't know what their email is. That's fine. I'll figure you out. I'll figure you out, man. God is good. I'm grateful. I just like complaining sometimes, just like everybody else. The one thing is that I will show up and I will try my best. That's all I can ask of myself and of others. Looking for a little trigger down here. Pretty choppy. Pretty choppy. Nothing right now. Concerning of the sweep of the high here, this should roll over here on our NASDAQ. Yeah, this is just chop. Let's wait for this to break. Little fake out here, break down. Golden pocket 7/8. This looks like a 786 here, almost. No trade here. Just chopping up, right? Nice push out. Nice push out. I guess the long was down in here somewhere. VWAP flip, right? We said VWAP flip at the beginning. So long from here. That was kind of the trade. Order block retest continuation here on Solana. Looking to push as well. Coming for this high here. Patience here, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel and hanging out. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. How's your trading been, everybody? I hope you're all doing really well. That monthly pivot, man. That monthly pivot is so good. Do you guys see where the monthly pivot is? Look at this thing, man. Monthly pivot. Talk about fire. 94 right there. Didn't fully hit it, but what a target. Beautiful. I think CVO in our Discord, yeah, he called it. He called it. See, I mean, this is a little bit of a, see, he said monthly pivot, right? Didn't he? Look at that. And then look what happened. Oh my God. He called it all the way down here. Look at that. What an absolute ledge. Look at this. Look at this. Previously weekly range. Look at this. It's before it even happened, guys. You cannot write it. Look at that. Are you guys not entertained? Are you not entertained? Look at this. I mean, our Discord's fire, man. So good. I'm even like, I feel like I should just chill and just take everybody else's trade. I don't have to trade anymore. So good, man. J Rizzle. Ramos, good morning. Wick's wife, good to see you. Merry Christmas. Juarez. Still watching the must-watch videos. Awesome, man. Get through them. I always say pick 3, right? Pick 3 things. Pick 3 things. Okay. I would suggest, me, personally, I would pick order blocks, VWAP, and I don't know. I think some people with their Fibonacci's are just, they're not good. So stay away from that unless you practice. Fibonacci's takes a lot of practice. And then market cipher. But you must, before learning anything, you must understand price action and volume, which makes up market structure, which hunts liquidity. You must understand this. If you don't understand this, price action plus volume, this, plus this, makes up this. That hunts this. You have no chance. Like my scribbles? Okay. You got no chance. If I was new and I was starting again, I'd be out on my 1 minute time frame here. And I'd be studying structure, volume, defining higher highs, higher lows, targets, liquidity, understanding how it moves, understanding candle patterns, strengths, weakness. Why is there a big volume spike on this candle? Why is there a big volume spike on this candle and this candle here? What is happening here that's different from the norm? Are buyers stepping up? Are sellers stepping up? Okay. What is happening here and here? Are we diverting here? Are we looking for mitigation, continuation down? There's a lot that goes into it. And if you don't learn that, it's like having training wheels on your bike when you first start. Looking to sweep this high. That's where we're looking to go. Volume profile, initial balance. You like IB? So yeah, initial balance is okay. If you're wondering what IB is, everybody, it's like an open range breakout, but it's the first 30 minutes. I have initial balance on so you could look here, like if we go to the 30-minute time frame, we go into our beautiful No Diggity Must Watch trades by Matt. I'm convinced now. To our market open yesterday, so we go, damn, that's a crazy candle. I even have an IB set up here. Look at that. You like it? It's the beautiful. This is your initial balance, your above initial balance continuation here. So it's like the orb. The orb's the first 15-minute candle, so it would be this one. I've backtested initial balance. I found I had more confluence with the orb than initial balance on Bitcoin. Trades by Matt uses initial balance, but he trades NASDAQ, which is a different animal. But VWAP is, in my opinion, VWAP's the best indicator in the world because it's non-negotiable. It's volume, it's your price, it's your average. It's where buyers and sellers are the most agreeable, right? This is your average where buyer and sellers are most agreeable to exchange the asset, right? So when you're above VWAP, you're looking for longs. When you're below the VWAP, you're looking for shorts. Okay, if you reclaim VWAP aggressively, you're looking for continuation. If you fail VWAP and you resist, you're looking for continuation. Okay, you always have options. Okay, so whenever you're looking at any sort of trend line, whether it's a moving average, which are shit in my opinion. They're good for long-term analysis and momentum, and maybe like trending price action, but typically you're range bound. So what the hell is the point, right? So if you got any sort of trend line, you're looking for a couple of things. If price is above, you're looking for continuations, right? Or you're looking for aggressive moves down below and retests, okay? And then continuations, okay? Or if price is below, okay, you're looking for resistance, or you're looking for breakout continuations, right? So there's only a certain amount of ways to trade it. But if you understand volume and price action and liquidity, it becomes a phenomenal tool because you're just using it as a guide to where price is going to end up. If this is your average price and you're way over here, it can be magnetic. It can attract price. So if you get a signal up in here, maybe you get a break of structure, you can look to trade this back into that area. Works a lot of the time. If you're down here, double bottom rotation, you can look to trade this back into that area. Okay. Looks like a nice croissant, doesn't it? Look at this nice croissant. Eh, sacre bleu. Hey, put a little bit of pepper on it. Hey. And you can see here, every time you deviate away, you return to it. Okay, every time you deviate away, you return to it. Access support. Where above, you look for longs. You reclaim it, you look for longs. You reclaim it, you look for longs. Even yesterday, we were above VWAP yesterday, I remember. Yep, standard deviation 1, retest. So we tried to short here, then we flipped long here. Higher low continuation breakout trade. Easy. Only if you're able to flip your narrative. Aggressive move through, retest, breakdown. You can short this down into here. Oh, break out, retest, long, continuation up. Don't get me started. VWAP sexy, but you got to know how to read price action. We go over stuff like this a lot in the Discord. How do you configure your VWAP mode? It's just, you don't configure it. It's just your style or whatever you're looking at. Free indicator. Happy days. You can screenshot it. I only use the second and third group, so I only use 2 and 2.5 and 1, right? 1, 2, 2.5. Whenever you're getting into this area here, you're definitely overextended. Except yesterday, we were just overextended the whole day. Overextended, you can see them start to widen here, so you're starting to get into a little bit of resistance. Now you're looking for shorts. Standard deviation 1 holds the trend. Look at that. Boom, holds the trend. Boom, holds the trend. Off you go. Coming into 9 o'clock here. Crypto Billy's in the chat. What's going on, bro? How you doing? God bless you, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful, 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 wonderful December. An extra wonderful for you, man. God bless you. Hopefully you and the family are doing well. You must be excited for Christmas. You got your grandkids and everybody at the house and stuff, man. Merry Christmas, Billy. People who say happy holidays aren't my friend. It's Christmas, guys. You can say happy holidays if you want. Happy holidays. It's very weird. It's Christmas time, man. I'd rather you say happy Hanukkah to me than happy holidays. Army Piper, Shemitris, what's going on? First 15 minutes before it changes into, yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's good to let the first 15 minutes bake especially a market open. That one guy. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Liquidity, rotation down. VWAP slap. Big dump. What happened? Big dump. Liquidity, dump. Coming back for late longs. Okay. Okay. Is this news driven? What did he tweet now? What did he tweet now? Oh, baby. Big Dumparelli coming back for all the late longs here. No trade. My God. Everybody's wrecked. Oh, my goodness. What just got announced, man? Anybody? I'm sure we're all good. Dump it, baby. That's violent. Anybody have? Did we get news? Did Trump lose his Cheeto powder? My goodness gracious. I'm glad I'm not in a trade. Well, I'd like to be short right now. Wow. This is good. This is good. Grab all this liquidity right in the morning. Started off with a shaboozle. Nasdaq's flat. All right. Interesting. Anybody know? Anybody know what's going on here? Grandma's getting Stone Cold Steve Austin. Damn, Daniel, this is nasty. Say goodbye to your money. No trade. No trade for me, man. I'm too tired for this fucking price action. This is crazy. Honest self-appraisal. This morning, I'm pretty tired. I'm not gonna lie. I've been working like a dog lately. Maybe Army Piper will give me the day off today, but he doesn't have OC guy. I've been covering for OC on the whole time too in Chart Prime, man. Crazy times, man. What's dumping the market, guys? What's going on with this? No compromise reached on plan for Ukraine aid. Liquidity. Nice pushback here. Pushing back. Nice recovery. Let's go. Nice sweep here for Solana. Golden pocket looks like. Oof, naughty. Did we have an announcement or no? Did anything come out? Or they just being grumpy? See, if I had boat tons of energy this morning, I'd probably be entering a long here, and I probably would have slapped it. But I'm not. I know myself too well. I'm not sharp enough right now to make a good decision here. So I let it play. This looks like a retest of previous 1 hour, yeah. That's nasty, man. Microsoft lowers AA software sales quotas as customers resist newer products. So Microsoft not doing well, drops 2% pre-market. I got that information right now. Anything else? So Microsoft is not doing well. AI bubble. You boobly. Melissa, what's going on? Good to see you. Big pump coming? Huh? Good old Dumperelli this morning, which is good. No trade here. I would long this if I'd long this up to the lows. That's what I would look to do. I would long this up to the lows, halfway up the candle. But I'm not taking the trade yet. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 9:10, 20 minutes till market open. A little bit of volume. Sweet, man. Liquidity. So coming back in, retesting. Yeah. Grabbing that liquidity in here. Anybody long? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You guys schlonging. Tony Soprano's in a schlong. I'm just chilling too, man. I'm just chilling too. No trades. Just chilling. No trades right now. We longing up her. I mean, you could look for the retest trade here. That was nasty though. Like, just dropped off the table, guys. That's why you use good risk management, everybody. There's your prime example. Your stop loss should always be on the damn chart, even if, and I'm guilty of this, but I manage my risk better than most of you. I bet you any money. But anyways, my stop loss is always on the damn chart, no matter what. Always, it's on the chart. If it's okay, if I'm scalp here and my invalidations here, sometimes I'll have it down here and I'll slide into position if we get close. But it's always on the chart. Always. It's non-negotiable. Unless you want to be broke. Look at that. Solana trade would have played up to the lows. Still waiting here. No trade. It's bearish today. We'll see. I mean, this is good liquidity sweep, right? You've come in, you've taken these lows out in here. Late longs. Now you're trying to potentially push back, so only runners left short from the top. GG's, good job. You guys forgot to hit the like button, tickle it. Yeah, that's the going theme here, everybody. We got 500 people in here and only 186 likes. I don't ask after 200, but like, come on, guys, what are we doing here? You guys just making me sound like one of those weird YouTubers. Fucking, hey, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I feel like a parrot sometimes. We would appreciate if you just tickle the button. Okay, just tickle it. A little tickle here. We didn't come for that high. This should be pretty straightforward. I entered a so long, if you're wondering. Got the retest back in. Continuation didn't take the low yet. Looking for rotation back up here. Up $230. TP1. I just did this right now. See how patience will prevail. We'll see if we want to continue up to this low. Then we'll leave a runner. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Taking trades, showing you guys the trades. All the fun stuff here. Don't be a bitch. Push. Oh, really? You're going to come back for me? Aw, you're no fun, man. I'll give you more room if you want. Thank you, JR. Appreciate your support, bro. You want me to check Link? I can look at Link. I think Link's doing well, isn't it? I like it to come back to this low, right? That's the idea. Steve ruggling a little bit here. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's looking good. Solana should follow suit here. Bitcoin's pushing back, coming for those lows as well. That should follow suit with Solana here. Dominance is pretty high. Push, I'll take it off here if you want. Go on. You can be free. We're not going to judge you. We're in a safe place here, Solana. Up $435. Lazy trading sometimes is the best trading, guys. It makes you a little bit more patient. And the patient trader is the profitable trader, baby. Let's go. You can exit right here if you want. I don't mind. GG's in the chat. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out, making some money before even market opens, man. Good stuff. Very good stuff. Don't be a dick for a tick. Front run this shit. Right? You don't wanna put it exactly where the low is. You wanna get filled, right? That's what I'm sorry, I didn't say it. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna be rude today. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. Hopefully you're all doing well. Let's just not give this back, please. I'm okay with getting closed out here for 500. Happy days. Happy days. Quick 500 to start the day. Hip hip hooray. Happy days. Take your money and run. We'll see what market open brings. $488 to start the day. Woohoo! Who doesn't like another 488? That's like $800 Canadian, man. Those Canuck bucks just keep getting worse and worse. Little weakness here. Yeah. On to the next one. I'm going to go get some coffee. What's going on, Nightmare? Good to see you, Sniper. Hopefully everything's going well with you and the doctor. God bless, bro. You're reading my mind, Band-Aid. You're reading my mind. Invest in the Cheeto Power futures. What's the one? I can't read the chart. I'm driving. Well, don't trade and drive, chicken. Get to work, bro. Get to work, bro. 520 people in here, 230 likes. That's better, guys. Thank you for the likes. I do appreciate it, man. That's cool. God bless you guys. I'm going to go and get some coffee. I'll put on the tune for you guys. The tune. Absolute tunage.
On the counter, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Throw. One more. Ah, nice throw. One more. And oh yeah, good job. Love you, buddy. My son's obsessed with basketball. Should I tell him now? Should I tell him now that his father is short? Look at this thing. Okay. Got him a little hoop and everything. He loves it. He absolutely loves it. Can you guys see it? It's green, so it doesn't show up on the green screen. That's hilarious. It doesn't show up on the... It looks cool, though. My son is actually in the 80th percentile for height. My wife's family's tall. My family's tall. I got literally the short end of the stick. Literally the short end of the stick. Everybody in my family is over 5'11", and I'm 5'4". It's pretty crazy. But at least my son won't be able to get that top shelf, man. He's going to dunk on me, yeah. I'm pretty wet, though. Like, I'll cross him. I'll break his ankle pretty bad. He's 15 months, DeFi. I'm actually... To spit, I need to jump, yeah. I can touch backboard. I used to have I used to have a good elevation. Like, I could jump. I touch backboard. Like when I used to do layups, I'd touch glass. So, I mean, hanging man, engulfing candle, continuation back up. Everybody's long, right? I take the day coming back for that low right now. Bam, there it is, hitting that low. Hitting that low. So you're looking for resistance in here now, guys. Resistance. To me, this is like a little liquidity grab, like take it while you can get it kind of deal. Okay, that's why I flipped long. Like you got to think, right? Like we've been so bullish on the way up here that this is Asia, right? We got long actually in here on Asia, so we would have still been protected. But everybody in Asia just got wrecked, and now it's recovering, right? So. Coming into market open, we got 4 minutes here. Thank you, everybody, for whoever stayed. Pardon me, whoever stayed. GG's on your long. There's no way you're 5'4", bro. 162 centimeters, man. There's 100% I'm 5'4". I'm a hobbit, and I play every sport: baseball, basketball, you name it. I was on Team Ontario for baseball. I used to call up for Team Canada for baseball as a kid. I was a very athletic kid. growing up. And then I stopped growing in about grade 9. Too much smoking and other things. We won't go there. But yeah. Which is fine. Ask Chicken. Chicken will tell you. He's in real life friend. He knows that I'm an absolute hobbit from the Shire of Canada. Chicken's in here somewhere. He's trading and driving. Right here. Ask Chicken. Someone asked me for Link. We'll do Link in like 30 seconds here. Okay, let's look at Link. Link, pushing, aggressive, beautiful breakout, continuation, double bottom, looking for consolidation, point of control. Coming for the liquidity in the highs here. Swing high to swing low. Let's check it. Major resistance coming in around 15.13 right there. So, yeah. So Link, you're looking for a breakout, retest, continuation trade here. Obviously, it has broken out, so you're looking for it to come back into here and hold. Okay, that's your goal. 4-hour structure break, which is great. So now you're looking for buys, okay, whether it's here or whether it's in here. But you are looking for buys on Link. Okay, consolidation, continuation, holding the point of control, grabbing this liquidity in here, which has done its job, so it is very justifiable for it to retrace and then continue upwards for this guy up here. Resistance coming in at 15.13, okay, and looking for follow through on Link, okay, but very nice bounce and push for Link, okay, up 6.5%, continuation, short-term time frames here. Yeah, big SFP, grabbing liquidity, order block here, retested the highs here, big block in here. So, yeah, you're looking for it to come back down. You got 1380, 1390, and then I'd be looking at 1350. Otherwise, you're looking for continuation trades. Higher highs, higher lows, continuation out. And that's how I would treat Link. There you go. Man, you should consider yourself spoiled. I typically do not do altcoins for people, but that's for Discord people. What do you see on Arrow? It needs to get above $1. I hold a big bag of Arrow. What happened with Microsoft AI? Bill Gates. Morning, Julie. Good to see you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Market open in 10 seconds. Supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless you guys. Hopefully, you're all having a wonderful, wonderful morning. Looks like we're getting a little pushback here on Bitcoin. Solana trying to push back as well. One Solana trade for $500 to start the day. Happy days. Coming into some resistance. Trying to push up here. VWAP above us. Breaking down. A little bit of FUD. Expecting a gap down, and there it is. Nice gap down for the S&P to start the morning. Good morning, everybody, and thank you. We're here live every morning, hanging out with you guys, kicking ass, taking names, taking trades, showing you trades. Never financial advice. We are just here to help you, guide you. NASDAQ dying. Okay, big roll over here from Microsoft. Solana, retest, continuation down. Bitcoin, rotation down. Okay, S&P is having a little bit of an effect. As we can see, looking for this gap back down to this target box here, gapping up. So it would be nice actually for a little retracement, then continuation into the afternoon. That would be ideal, but we are in a range here on the S&P. So if this, then that. Looking for Bitcoin to come back down into this $91,000 area. We'll see if it does. Breaking down now. Anybody short up here? Oof, that was a good little sell wall. Down we come. Little rejection. Getting everybody a little bit too trigger happy with the longs here and coming back to punish them. Break of structure, retest of the lows, continuation down trade. Trying to hold. I'd like to see VWAP flip here. That would be my next bullish sign, or an SFP like this with some good structure in here. Just waiting. Trading is waiting. That is the ticket, man. pretty tired today, so I'm pretty happy with $500, even though it's my low end. I aim to make five to $1,500 a day. I have made $2,500 2 days in a row, so I'm up $5,000 this week. So don't give it back, AlexOCrypto. Don't give it back. That's what I keep hearing. I just keep taking the trades and managing the risk, and hopefully it all turns out well. Okay, NASDAQ getting a little bit of a pushback here. Yeah, not really. A little pushback here. Solana looking good. S&P bouncing. Yeah, okay, a little bounce on the SPY. Microsoft doesn't care. It'll buy more AI chips. Doritos. What are the best chips? What do you guys think? You guys all think we're going to... Oh, you guys very indecisive here. Very indecisive. Trying to push here. Continuation. Looking like it's got a little bit of oomph to it. Look at this. Buyers stepping up, pushing price higher here. Okay. We're going to go start a poll. What? I see you guys. What else do we got in here? Doritos sweet chili heat. Don't Zwiffle chips, man. Don't give me no chips from wherever you're from, Tony. Sweet chili heat Doritos are pretty good. Sensations. Yeah, we have Pringles. Pringles are bad, man. We just make them look like a duck. And what kind of crisps do you like in England, mate? Do you like what are they, Walkers? She won't tell me the Walkers? Salt and vinegar? Fat stack of casino chips. Let's go. I'm sure my wife has heard of them. Yeah. Ask her about sensations. Chili cheese Fritos. Ooh. Takis Fuego. Barbecue hula hoops. Ooh, those are good too. What about that smart food, white cheddar? Anybody like the smart food? Like, I'm not a big popcorn guy because it gets stuck in my janky ass teeth. But you know what else is good is ketchup chips. In Canada, you guys don't get ketchup chips anywhere else. Canada has ketchup chips. So good, man. Smoke a big old blunt and eat some ketchup chips. Good old times in high school. Sour cream and onion is the bomb. Ew. What about those Ringo ones? Those like air puff ones. Those are pretty good too. Heinz ketchup chips, man. Heinz ketchup chips. You can't beat it. That's an OG chip, man, in Canada. Doritos 3D Cool Ranch. Ringolos, that's the one. Those honey mustard pretzel things, those are good. I've never been to Trader Joe's. I've heard good things about Trader Joe's, but it's all these like woke people go to Trader Joe's, don't they? What are the best chips? All right, we got Doritos, Fritos, Takis. Lay's, Cheetos. We all know Donald Trump loves his Cheetos. Is there what about Miss Vicky's jalapeno? Hey? Miss Vicky's? Salt and vinegar? Come on, Miss Vicky's salt and vinegar. You guys gotta put a 1 in the chat for. You guys want to see the OG? You want to see the OG of good chips? Guys, put a 1 in the chat for this one. All dressed Ruffles. Are you not entertained, guys? Are you not entertained? Chopping the wop here, trying to push. No trade yet, still waiting. Those, oh my God. Those all seasoned. Oof. Nothing like some Tostitos with some salsa too, man. That's pretty good. Those are pretty good as well. What do you guys think about those kettle chips? Are those any good? I've never had them, kettle chips. See, I don't eat chips ever. Like I'm not a chip person. It's just not good for you. Not in my household, we don't eat chips. I used to eat a lot of chips, but then, my wife happened. Nice push here for Biddy. Let's go, baby. Solana. Oof. Nice. Anybody long? Long's playing nice here. NASDAQ trying to recover. SPY's recovering, coming back. All right. Nice push here. VWAP slap. Still no trade, guys. I'm just very choppy in here. I'd like to see aggressive move through VWAP and reclaim. Nice push here. Let's go. Let's go. This is looking quite strong, guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're not. Put a 3 in the chat if you like chips. Oh, man. Thank you for being here, everybody. I'm going to go with a 3. I'm skiing right now, guys. GG's on your long, everybody. Good job. Love seeing you guys win, man. Good job. Good job, everybody. Make sure you pay yourselves. All right. See if this thing can push. Little VWAP slap right now. Getting rejected. Retested previous highs. Continuation upwards. NASDAQ looking like it wants to bounce here. A little FUD from Microsoft. Bill Gates making you eat crickets and shit. No good, man. No good. They're good in protein. They're good for the environment. Yeah, they taste like bugs, bro. Canada built a cricket factory. Did you guys know that? Canada. Ontario Cricket Factory. They got a cricket factory in Ontario. Ontario Cricket Factory. Most recently, these guys are so disgusting, man. Cricket protein. Disgusting, man. You make people eat crickets. What are we? Is this a city for ants? I'm out of that province anyways. Thank God, man. Keep your crickets for yourself, man. You can have your chocolate salted crickets. I'm so gone. Look at this push. Beautiful push here through VWAP. Nice push. Retest to previous highs. Continuation out. Valhalla. Let's go, baby. Longs be printing. Good job, everybody. Solana, man. Whew. Sweeping that high. Continuation. Soy boy Lana. Buyers stepping up, man. Beautiful. NASDAQ recovering. SPY recovering. Bitcoin coming back into the middle of the range. Okay, we're range bound again. I'm looking for a retest of VWAP. Continuation out. Thank you, everybody, for being here, taking your long trade. 490 people in here, 250 likes. God bless you guys. Thank you for your support. Cool stuff, man. We're up $500 today. We took a little Solana, Lana, long. Solana, Lana, long, long. Oh, yeah. Right through VWAP here. Solana, breakout, retest, continuation out. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. If you're feeling the FOMO, I am too. But I'm okay with that. Today, I'm happy with a quick 500, man. I'm just, I know myself. I'm tired today, and I'd be FOMOing in. I'd be buying the top, and I'd get absolutely slapped. I know that. So I'm going to go and probably have a nap after this. Half-hour nap, just a power session, because I got a lot of work to do today. Discord to run, and people to help, and good things to have. So, very grateful for you guys for being here and supporting the channel. You guys are incredible. Thank you for your support. GG's on your long, everybody. NASDAQ is melting. Yeah, NASDAQ's ripping. Solana's ripping, baby. Look at that. We got long here, guys. We should have just held that. Holy Scheisenhausen. We would have been rich, bitch. But that's fine. I feel the FOMO just like you. Coming into some resistance now. We'll see how it behaves. Looking to take this liquidity out of the high. Big recovery. Big push here. Big resistance for Bitcoin coming up in here. So we'll see how it behaves. But this looks really good, guys. Looks really good. This looks really good. Continuation here. Just in time. I just time out everyone in Discord for 1 hour so you can get a nap. Yeah, let's go. Remember, they're enticing buyers, guys. So what are they doing right here? They are enticing you to press the buy button. Okay, you, as a trader, need to wait for this guy here. This is what you're looking for. Not this. Just telling you. That's my opinion, okay? Fair value gap slap. Into resistance, coming back down. NASDAQ, cooling off a little bit. SPY, cooling off a little bit. SFP of the liquidity of the highs, coming back for late shorts, right? Shorts, all the shorts in here, right? They've been wrecked. Longs wrecked. Shorts wrecked. Range. Where do you think we're going? Okay. Patience. Big orb today. Ray orb is going to be in. My God, Ray, Ray, you huge, bro. You a big Ray. We got Ray orb is in. So be careful here, guys. We could just chop the orb today. Very possible. Breakout, retest, continuation on the orb. So you got the orb, breakout, retest, continuation. Big resistance up in here. You have the chop within the orb. You could come right back down to the lower part of the orb. Okay, retest. So patience here, guys. Patience here. Coming back down for the late longs. You see, trapping traders. Retest of highs. Coming back in. Local point of control. Yeah. Possible bounce. I would be looking. Initial buy area, but not married to it. Dump and pump. You want to include VWAP here. Chopping the WAP. Yeah. 2% orb, guys. Very, very, very nice range trading possibly today. So be aware for this. Look at that. Coming back. See, I told you if I top blasted there, they'd wreck me. Good patience here, everybody. Thank you, guys. Good job on your longs, everybody. Big sell wall, yeah. Big resistance up here, guys. We know that. We know that it's going to take a couple of attempts, if anything, right? So You don't want to be getting into longs up here unless you have like very clear bullish momentum retest continuations. Little VWAP slap coming back in, humble pieing everybody who top blasted there. SPY does not look strong here. We look like exhaustion. We filled the gap and then we rotated down. So interesting. Everybody's getting a little bit too bullish. Coming back for that VWAP. Bouncing around point of control. This is the definition of the hot dog zone, guys. So this is the hot dog zone. We are in the hot dog zone. Now seem to tell the tale. Yeah, well, you got rollover, retest, rejection off the lows here. SPY filling the gap, right? Comes up, fills the gap, rotation back down, right? Holding the bottom of the range. VWAP slap, continuation out. That's a possible trade here. Continuation, middle of the orb. No trade for me. Still waiting here, guys. Middle of the orb here, so for me, sometimes you want to go middle of the orb. You just pull your fib in here. You go to your 0.5. Put another horizontal here. And there you have the middle of your orb, okay? Very simple. You can go from swing high to the low here. Go to your 50%, 92,907. Okay, and that's the middle of your orb. And you can because the orb is so big today, you know, you want to possibly include the middle of the orb, right? You see how I measured that? Very simple to get the middle of the orb, everybody. Okay. VWAP slap, continuation up. This looks like it wants to go. Solana wants to go. Nice, mate. Nice. Looking strong here. Trying to push up. Nasdaq's flat, so it's not. Nasdaq's down 0.5% since that FUD. No strength here on the SPY. In the middle of the range for Bitcoin. So for me, it's no touchy. No touchy. We want to see I'd like to see a decision here. Decision being, you know, do we want to attack the liquidity up here? Or do we want to attack the liquidity down here and here? For me, this looks like a good bounce. We've wrecked the longs. We've wrecked the shorts. Now we're range bound. Because we've broken this high, we should assume more up than down locally. So that means that right now we want to see some sort of consolidation and strength, and then we would look for a long into our highs. Otherwise, we chop the range and we treat it like a range, buy low, sell high for the rest of the day. Very simple. We don't need to complicate trading. The more we complicate it, ask how well you do. Ask how well you do. We've stopped in the middle of the range. Stopping power, trapping traders in the middle of the range. Let it make a decision. Let it go this way or this way. But you don't want to take... Where's your risk management here? You're in a 1-to-1 zone, right? You're looking at this. This is not a good trade setup. It could work. But in my opinion, it's not a good trade setup. News in 8 minutes. Everybody goes to Trader Joe's. Okay. I just thought it was like some like vegan woke kettlebell swinging people. That's all. Like Bitcoin's transgendered gold. You know? Here's our VWAP slap on Solana. Push through on VWAP here. So this is mixed signals, no trade. Trying to hold here. Rotation down. Enticing buyers, dumping it on their head. Typical price action at the top, guys. So we wait here. We wait here. That's the key, in my opinion. I would like to trade this, but it's not really available right now. So we wait. Rotation back down. That's enough out of me today, guys. I'm tired. I'm going to go have a nap. And then I will update the Discord when I get up. And I'll be fresh and ready to go. Let's go, baby. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel, smacking up like buttons. God bless you guys. I'm going to send you over to Trades by Matt, one of my favorite traders online. So go enjoy some of his trading. He's a great scalper, VWAP master. It's better than me, in my opinion. But you got to have people who are above you and people who are below you, reaching up and reaching down and trying to work together. Anyways, I love you all. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Discord, I'll see you later. Use the code BOOBS. Bye.
On the counter, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo.